Again, about bleeding procedure for hydraulic steering system, again and again. I have tons of video on my channel, but look at this rig. Bleeding and cleaning in the same time. Very easy procedure, very fast, very quick. Guys, but this video is extremely different. Could I say this way? Okay. I will just show you the procedure and ask you, do you really need more specific video about this? Because the feedback from previous video is so no much views. So I just show you and you let me know what you need to know and what you think about it. Oh. Well, that's it. Comment, subscribe, like, well, dislike.